Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and gold closed at 2332. As expected, gold closed below 2350, but there was some sudden upside on gold, and I was little concerned because we discussed about few selling opportunities on gold yesterday. Okay, we discussed about selling around 2319, then 2325. Yes, we got our 30-40 pips, but it was very risky. And to be honest, okay, I was looking for a reason why gold was going up, why gold was going up, but there was no proper answer online. At first, I thought that there must be some geopolitical tension in the Middle East because of which there is a sudden upside on gold, but no, it was not the reason. And today morning, I found this article: dollar and gold move higher on French political risk. So this is the reason because of which we got to see some crazy up move on gold for some time yesterday. So if you want to read the article, then I will put the link in the description. Okay, you can go to the article so that you can understand the complete matter. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of gold. So gold closed at 2332. And if we look at the overall chart of gold, we can still see the market is choppy. We do not have a clear up move. Yes, as a day trader, obviously we need to consider the present trend of the market, and this market was bullish and may remain bullish. But if we look at the overall chart of gold here, we can clearly see that we do not have any proper trend right now as a swing trader or position trader, because if I move to, or if I switch to the daily time frame, I can still see that we do not have a clear trend present. And to be honest, okay, whenever we see charts like this, okay, it feels that yes, we still have a room for retracement. Okay, if we go to the weekly chart of gold, then we can see that right now gold is standing in the top, and yes, a retracement is due, but nobody knows. Okay, and it is very difficult to predict also. Okay, not possible when the retracement is about to come. So it is better to react according to the market situation instead of predicting the market. But personally, I feel that we still have a good room for upside. Maybe market may head towards 2400. Already, I have a buy at 2297 that I'm holding as a positional trade, because I feel that we still have a room for upside. Maybe in the coming week or coming months, market may show a big drop where market may go for a proper correction or retracement. Market may come to 2200, 2100. Nobody knows. Okay, but personally I feel that at this moment, okay, we have a room for upside on the chart of gold, because if you look at the contracts data, okay, you can see that we do not have any major resistance. Okay, you can see right now mark 2332. Okay, market is somewhere around here, and you can clearly see that we do not have any major resistance till 2400. So road is almost clear from the futures market. Okay, so personally I feel that yes, still there is a room for upside. Okay, so I'm holding a buy. Let's wait and watch. Okay, and as a day trader, obviously, okay, we need to trade from level to level, because we do not have a clear trend in the market right now. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Market almost closed at the resistance, so the market opening is going to be very important, because there was some upset on the chart of gold. Obviously, there's no doubt about it, but after that, okay, there was some consolidation in the market, there was some indecision in the market, so market opening is going to be very important. So right after the market opening, if we see gold is going down or gold is coming for retracement, okay, let's switch to 50 minutes time frame for a proper view. So if you see market is coming down, in that case we can look for a support or a bounce around 2321. Around 2321, 2320, we can look for a support. Why? Because we can see we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and the previous resistance will be working as support. Yesterday it was a resistance, we took a sell, okay, around 2319. Remember, the same level will be working as a support right now. Right after the market opening, if the volume is not, selling volume is not very high, if you see market is coming down with normal candles, you can expect the market to take support on 2321. and the second support is around 2316 to 2315. So these are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce. 2316 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. So the market opening is going to be important, and if you see a crazy market opening, you sometimes market do surprise us. Okay, if you see the market is going down with big red candles, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. These type of levels will not work. So, and if you see that that market has opened but market is behaving like a normal market, then you can look for a quick bounce around 2321 or 2316. Once market will enter the zone, switch to 50 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior. There is no 100% proper confirmation. Okay, so you just need to see how the market is behaving. Once you see that, okay, market is showing price rejection from below, you'll get a confirmation that, okay, it is taking support, buyers are present, hit the buy button. No need to wait for the candle to close also. You may miss the opportunity. And my reference, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You'll find all the details on the website. The link is in the description. This workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. If you're unable to make money, if you, after knowing all the concepts of the market, still you're struggling, then this workshop will be beneficial for you. You can see these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days workshop. Okay, the topics are mentioned here, and as we all know that simply doing classes is not enough. Okay, so I have also kept 4 weekly sessions. So these are the topics for the weekly sessions, like how to set stop loss and how to avoid stop loss hunting, how to avoid false breakout, multi-time frame analysis, and many other things. And after the class, sometimes we get confused. So we have a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates like this, so that you can understand that how to proceed with the market. We also conduct live sessions during important events like NFP, CPI, and we try to make money together. So this is just a glimpse of our WhatsApp group, my dear friends. We also have a Telegram community where other members interact with each other, ask questions, share ideas, and many things happen. हिंदी क्लासेस are starting from 21st of June, 21 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है next Friday, and English classes are starting from 28th of June. You can join now also. You will be receiving free market updates and analysis. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 for 3 days works or 1 month support. These are the benefits that you will be receiving. And if you're looking for a longer relationship, if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime. In semi-annual, you will be receiving all the benefits along with 2 personal sessions, and in lifetime, yes, we will be friends forever. and you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions, because trading takes time. We know it very well, and it doesn't happen in 1 month or 2 months. Okay, if you're looking for regular market updates, analysis, and personal sessions to clear your doubts, then yes, semi-annual lifetime can be beneficial for you. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just need to share a screenshot on this WhatsApp number or email here. Okay, I will be adding you to the group immediately. And my dear friends, if you are very down, okay, in life, just go through the story that I have mentioned on my website. Okay, you will understand that nothing is impossible in the market. That's why I have shared my personal story in detail on my website. Okay, so that, okay, you can take it as a motivation or inspiration, whatever you call it. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, if you're interested, okay, please check out the link in the description. And yesterday market reversed from 2337. This is the level from where market reversed, and the previous high was 2341. So the red box here, or the zone between 2341 2337, is our no trading zone. What? It is our no trading zone. 2341 to 2337 is a no trading zone. And by the European session, if we see that there is a good buying in the market is going up, okay, then we can look for a buy above 2341 if the buying power is good enough. And the next resistance is around 2350. 2350 is a psychological resistance, as well as, okay, as well as we have FEMA 61.8% retracement level, but keep in mind, do not expect a complete trend reversal. Okay, we can just expect some 40 to 50 pips. Okay, 40 to 50 pips, or max to max, okay, 70 to 80 pips, not more than that. So as a day trader, we can look for a quick reversal around 2350 area. Okay, but eventually, okay, eventually market should break 2350 and move towards 2400. So day trader, you can go for a buy above 2341 if the bullishness you see, and day traders can also look for a sell around 2350. And if you already have a buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position because further upside is very much possible right now. Let's wait and watch. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, the market opening is going to play a major role. If you see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market, then only look for buy around 2321, 2320 or 231615 level. Okay, if you see that market is standing at 2320 with a big red candle, use your common sense. Okay, because there is no 100% guarantee of the levels, but our capital is limited, so we need to take decision wisely. Or on the other hand, if we see market going up, then try to avoid trading around 2341 to 337 area. If you see that by the European session, US session, market is bullish, market is breaking 2341, then we can look for a buy and breakout. And then day traders can look for a quick sell around 2350. Do not expect a complete trend reversal, okay, because after hitting the level, okay, market may form a few red candles and market may try to go up again. So let's wait and watch. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Have a lovely weekend. Spend some nice time, quality time with your friends and family. Okay, because family is important.